Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Before I start, I want to introduce myself. My name is Indah Amalia Hadi. I'm from class B3 2019 and my MPM 19220294. I want to explain the 6th point of interpreter. The first point of interpreter is the meaning of interpreter. Rule is social science construct used to explain behavior and examine attitudes between at least participants in any situation. The concept of rule is inextricably tied to the idea of reciprocal relationship. These days exist such a doctor or patient, a teacher or people, lawyer or clients. The essential point is that each of those rules exists only in relation to the other. This is a teacher can only be a teacher when there is a people to be taught. The role of a doctor only becomes evident in the person be a patient. The common perception of the rule as a part which a person play a given situation is often used in the realm of entertainment, such as theater. It's become a question of great delicacy as to how far the interpreter should go. For example, in some societies, doctors hold either higher or lower status than in the country where the interpreting is taking place. Thus, certain patented attitudes or behaviors may not be understood by the doctor. The interpreter has to make immediately choices in terms of conveying the attitudes, interpreting, and its perception is often colored by the facility and speech with which interpreting taken place. Okay, the second point, the role of interpreter is the interpreting interaction. In this section, interpreted interaction will be examined with a view highlighting in the aspect which impinge on the role of interpreter. The structural requirements of the interpreter interaction are sometimes counterproductive in terms of communication customs, thus negatively affecting the perception of the role of interpreter. The third point is the role of interpreter is the concept of client. The first element which affects the view the interpreter role is the question of language. Competence in the second language needs to be a very high order. The client see the interpreter as a language converter, not as someone who is concerned with communication. The model of tape which can be turned on and off at will and which will produce language, any language. The interpreter is seen only in terms of language competence. If this language competence uses it to be placed in the proper perspective, we must specify often a skill which differentiated the work of interpreter. The fourth point is conversations with other professional and social roles. As in other professional roles, a reciprocal relationship is taken for granted, but the interpreter must maintain this role in relation to clients and continually switch between them. Consequently, each client must not see the interpreter as a conveyor of information between client and interpreter, but must accept the interaction for what is it. A discussion between clients, thus the interpreter role is both figurations or being performed on somebody else's behalf, and in except a double role being performed for two clients. Consequential factors contribute to a role which differs from other professional and social roles. Interpreters must at all costs regard themselves and the instrument in there than the focus of the communication. For example, a doctor is bad for an appointment and the interpreter is left with the patient in anteroom. The natural identity if four elements are conferring semantic, pragmatic, and semantic dimensions. The interpreter needs to only a reservoir of excellent knowledge, but an awareness of how this knowledge is handled in both the source and target language, but conceptually and linguistically. The 5th point is translating and interpreting. On the surface, the difference between interpreting and translating is only the difference in the medium. The interpreters translate orally, while interpreters written text. But interpreting and translation presuppose a certain love language and deep knowledge of more than of language. The last point is creation of the rule. The creation of rule interpreters must also be appraised from a literary perspective which seeks to place in operational terms the professional obligation which interpreters to their clients and to the professional college. Maybe the last I say, thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.